What's up, everyone? It's Curry Gaming, back again with another Hot Wheels Monster Trucks unboxing. And this truck is from Case G, I believe. And I think these statistics gives it away. So yeah, it's abysmal. Yeah, this truck looks really cool. I love it. It's just amazing. It's the fourth Monster Myth truck. Yeah. And here's the back. So the only trucks I need from this case are Invader and Pure Muscle. The other five are just re-releases, and I could care less about those. So on the back it says, name Abysmal, truck type City, strength grabbing tentacles, crash attack octo clutch, and motivation is to sink the other trucks. I don't understand why the truck type would be City if this is a if this truck is painted like an octopus. Well, whatever. I mean, it's whatever. But either way, let's crack this thing open. This truck looks awesome. There's the truck, and here's the crush cart it comes with. Alright, so here is Abysmal. I love the rim combination, the red beadlock and the orange rims that fits so perfectly. Blue roll cage. It's a light baby. It's a really light baby blue color. I really like it. So on the back, it's got the tentacles and the compass. It says Abysmal. I love the new car smell on the Hot Wheels monster trucks. They just smell so good when you take them out of the package. On the side, you got more octopus tentacles. It says Abysmal. Hot Wheels monster trucks logo. There's the front. There's a tentacle on the hood. There's the angry hot-headed octopus. It's really cool. Then the other side says Abysmal with the tentacles, and yeah. I don't know what this truck is based on, or the creature that's painted on this truck. If it's part of the Monster Myths. I know it's not a Kraken. Let me know in the comments below what mythical creature resembles an octopus. Because we know that, because of course it's not a Kraken, because a Kraken is a squid. But yeah. This truck overall is very solid. I really like it. On a scale of 1 to 10, what would I rate this truck? I'd probably give this truck a 7 out of 10. It's not the best truck that they've come out with, but it's still pretty cool. I'm not complaining about this truck. I mean, I think the only things that could have made this truck better would be maybe a brighter, maybe a more flashier graphic quality, and maybe a different casting. But I mean, but other than that, there is nothing bad I can say about this truck. It is an awesome looking truck. Yeah, I definitely recommend picking this truck up. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. See you later.